Hello Blyss Beauties and Babes, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two adorable and delicious smelling body scrub recipes. Both of these recipes are very easy and simple and make great gifts for the holiday season. If you're making these for yourself, they're a perfect way to bring that holiday cheer into your daily shower routine. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and let's get on to the recipes. If you've seen any of my body scrub recipes, you know that the most important ingredient we use is refined coconut oil. The reason we use refined coconut oil is because it doesn't have a scent. I found this one at my local Target. We're also going to be using sugar, both white sugar and brown sugar. To make our body scrubs smell delicious, we're going to be using these oils. These are safe to use on your skin. I found these on Amazon and I will leave a link to those below. Next, from your kitchen, we're going to be using some measuring spoons, some measuring bowls, also some mixing bowls, and things to mix with. I really like using these silicone spatulas and a whisk. You're also going to be needing some kind of container to store your body scrub in. These last two things are optional. I have this really cute straw and also piping bags. So let's get started with yummy recipe 1. To start off, I'm going to show you how to make this candy cane sugar cookie swirl body scrub. This smells so delicious, you're going to want to eat it. To start off, I heated up my coconut oil for about 15 seconds in the microwave, just so that it was easier to scoop. Since we're doing a swirl for this recipe, I used 2 separate mixing bowls. I used a 1/4 cup of coconut oil in each mixing bowl. Moving on, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon at a time to each mixture and give it a really good mix until it gets to the consistency that I want. As you can see here, it's a little bit too oily and not enough scrubbiness, so I'm going to go back and add another tablespoon to each mixture. For the full recipe that I used, please check the description bar below and I'll have it listed there. Once it is to a good consistency, we're going to go ahead and add the fragrance oils. These are like essential oils, so they're safe to use on your body. And in each mixing bowl, I probably used about 10 drops because I wanted it really fragrant. Of course, this is something that is optional. I added a drop of red food coloring and also 1 drop of pink food coloring to get that candy cane vibe. One of my original body scrubs uses food coloring and I've tested it. It doesn't stain your skin. As long as you're just using a little bit, it will not stain your skin. So once it's all mixed up, we're going to scoop this into one of the bags. If you don't have piping bags, you can try using a baggie. In the second piping bag, I'm going to scoop the sugar cookie mixture. Once that's all incorporated into the bags, we're going to cut off the tips of these bags, and you want to try to cut them at about the same length. Next, we're going to put both open bags into another piping bag that is closed. Make sure you scoot those all the way to the tip top of the piping bag and go ahead and cut that off. Now you can go ahead and pipe your mixture into your mason jar or any container that you're going to use in the shower. I like using wide mouth jars so that it's easy to scoop out. I use my homemade body scrubs about 2 to 3 times a week to exfoliate my skin. This body scrub will make your skin soft and hydrated, especially during the winter months. My last recipe for you to try is this delicious smelling gingerbread body scrub. It's super simple and I hope you enjoy it. To start off, we're going to be using a 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to give it color. Make sure you give this a really good mix because the brown sugar is a little bit more clumpy. Lastly, to give this body scrub a delicious scent, I'm using this Gingerbread Essential Oil. You guys, that's the easiest body scrub I've ever made. Make sure to try this one, you won't regret it. So those are all the recipes I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.